Good morning, my compatriots in the Philippines and the world. Today is August 28, 2025, Feast of Saint Augustine, the saint of sinners and saints. Today, I'm so honored, blessed that I'm here in this beloved sacred prophetic Hearts of Jesus and Mary Parish, headed by Father Arner F. Recinto, and together with Father Henry Carreras. Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus instructed me to come here to launch her project, Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus Living Saints Production. Because all are called to be saints, the Philippines will be the model for the Philippine Transfiguration Temple. And that is our beloved Jesus Christ, in the Twin Hearts of Jesus and Mary and Saint Joseph over there. Lord, I'm so happy. I launched this today for my September 1, 2025 84th birthday celebration in UP Diliman Heritage Sites from UP Oblation, UP Covenant Monument until the UP Diliman College of Arts and Letters, O our ancestors, saints, and heroes. And above all, this is also to honor and nurture the papacy of His Holiness, Pope Leo XIV, who comes from the Augustinian order. Amen.